Hi there, my name's Greg Tompkins and I'm the Director and Web Architect at Top Left Designs. What we're wanting to do here is introduce you to a special feature that comes with our content management system, Adobe Business Catalyst. There are a number of websites on the Gold Coast at the moment who are suffering a bit of a problem in that their web developer has unfortunately gone into liquidation and they're left with an unknown or unclear future as to what's going to happen to their websites. Now, look, there's a lot of articles written about what actions these people should take and the options available to them. A number of these websites really should be updated anyway. They are old, they're not mobile compatible. So there's a lot of decisions you as owners are facing. But I suppose the most critical decision you've got to face is what action do you need to take in the short term? At the moment, the host providers that were providing the graphics online system have offered to keep that hosting in place, which is good news for you. It buys you time to make the right decisions. And what we want to do here today is put to you one option that we believe is rather unique. What we're offering is the ability to take your current website as hosted on Graphics Online, CMS, and import it into the Adobe Business Catalyst CMS, restoring full CMS functionality, enabling you to maintain the content, add new pages, change menus, add new products, run your e-commerce store. Now, I've got to say right up front that for the more complex sites, the work involved is more complex. We can't, for instance, directly import your current e-commerce online shop with all your products and the facilities that are there into Business Catalyst, automatically re-establish a new online shop. That's not going to happen. Although we do have tools that make the whole process a lot easier, providing we can get to your original source data, your database that holds your products. But look, for the majority of you, we have a situation where you have what we call brochure sites, which are essentially a number of pages that are static. They're accessed via your main navigation menu or links within your pages and what have you. For those sorts of sites, we're able to do the conversion within a day. And without having to just take my word for it, what I'll do is show you an example. Now, what we have here is a website that is running under Graphics Online CMS. It's hosted. This particular business have moved their hosting, and it works, and that's fine. That's a decision they've decided to take, and we're not going to say there's anything wrong with that. We don't know who they were hosted with prior, so they may have had some concerns with their prior host. So that works, and that's brought them top. But the trouble is, the future capabilities of the CMS, if you want to change, upgrade your site, where do you stand? We believe that you're going to have difficulties. The other concern is the fact that Graphics Online themselves were hacked, and that led to the demise of the business. It does tend to raise some questions around how secure the CMS is and where that leaves clients like yourself. We're also hearing stories from some of the clients as to who actually owns the CMS. Some questions are being raised as to where the license rights actually belong. We're going to look into that a little bit more. But look, at the moment, your concern is you have a website, you want to make changes, you want to have that CMS functionality, and you want to have the confidence that you've got a future. Certainly with a product from Adobe, we've got 750,000 development or developers and development agencies, development partners who are building websites in Business Catalyst around the world today. Okay, so let's get on to the demonstration. Just to prove that we've done it, there's the site under Graphics Online, and here's the site under Business Catalyst. All functionality inserted video pop-ups, forms, whatever, they're all there. So how do we get to it? Well, we simply log in to the admin console, which is the back end of Business Catalyst. So you can see here it's branded with us. That's the same logo sitting under our domain, which is how we work it with the development sites. When it goes live, it moves across to your domain. Once you've logged in, you are in the admin console. And what we have here is our dashboard, which is the front end to the back of your business. It's telling you what's going on, and you can look at that. Obviously, we don't have a lot of people and visitors here because this is a development site that nobody knows about. So when we do the import, Business Catalyst will provide us with a report on the results of every file imported, all your images, all your HTML, all your styling files, your JavaScript, everything comes across. Occasionally, a couple of files may get missed for various reasons, handshaking, whatever. But we do get the report on that, so we can quickly identify it. We also run some checks against the downloaded site to make sure that there are no broken links, missing files misplaced or whatever. That doesn't take us a great deal of effort. However, we do then have to do a little bit of manipulation. And what we're doing the first thing we do is we have to identify what forms a template. Sorry for jumping that around. Excuse me. Business Catalyst works on the basis we have site templates for all your pages. And if we, for instance, take a look at this page here being the home page, this area that I've just selected is actually our page content, right? And everything around it forms the template. We have our masthead, we have our banner area, we have a sidebar, and then we have our footer area. So that all goes into form the template. And on a different page, as we call it inner pages, you'll notice that the template changes slightly. So we're going to create an inner template. In this case, we move these 4 images from above the content into the sidebar. A subtle change in this particular client site, but that's what we do. So the first thing we do is we identify what those templates are. The second thing we do is we convert the menus or navigation links that were within your site into a Business Catalyst menu module. The reason we do this is that it makes it a lot easier for you and us to apply continuing changes to your menu structure. More sub options, removing options, whatever you like. The third part of the conversion is picking up forms. And if we look at this side here, they have a simple contact us form, name, phone, email, some details, and a capture string. Now, Business Catalyst will take any existing form and convert it into a Business Catalyst form. Why would you need to do that? Simply because Business Catalyst forms work a little bit differently to what you're probably used to, in that every form completed is written into the BC database. It first of all writes a record into our contacts database, so their name and email as a minimum are captured, plus any other details you capture there, such as addresses, phone numbers, mobile, fax numbers, whatever. So there's a contacts database we capture information on. The final part of the conversion is we have to go through each one of these pages and remove the template, because what happens is when Business Catalyst imports, it brings the whole page down, and we then have to remove the template. So just to show you what that looks like, let's go look at typically everything's moved into folders, so all the structure's there. If we look at, say, the About Us page. Right, now here's the page as it was downloaded. Right, and you can see that it's the full page as per the website. Why we can help you, the sidebar. What we have to do is select that component, which is this stuff here. We have to keep that and remove the rest of the code, so we're left with a pure page. And we then assign a template. And to show you how that's done, let's go take a look at our home page. Here's our home page. You'll recognize that this is the stuff that was in the middle. Home. There you go. You see that there. Right, that's our home page content, which is what we're editing here. And we've told the system there's the template we're using. So it makes it easy for you to edit your content. You've got your menu bar up here with the options, how you want to style things, bolding, italics, positioning, bullet points, whatever. You can pick images, you can change those images, you can resize the images as you want. And then you can save a draft to preview. Or if you're not happy, just escape out, go back. Once you're happy with the changes, you update the live version. So Business Catalyst is as simple as that. Now, BC is more than just simply converting and giving you the features you have. You'll notice here we have a whole lot of options. We have modules for blogs, so that your blog will be integrated and we will convert your blog articles across. You have photo galleries, event bookings, downloadable documents. We also have secure zones, and we insert the contents of those modules into pages as you need to suit your particular circumstances. So look, I suppose the important message is, yes, we can convert your sites, we can take them across. Brochure sites we're able to do within a day. E-commerce, custom database sites, we're going to have to take a look at your individual situations. Small e-commerce sites we can probably do within a couple of days, a few days. Larger ones, it's not so much the layouts, because we do actually get a lot of that done for us. It's actually picking up the data from your existing database and importing it into Business Catalyst. So long as we can get it into Excel, we can import it. But we will have to talk to you. So there is a solution out there. It doesn't involve rebuilding or redesigning your templates. If you've got a site design that you like and you don't want to change and you don't want to have to pay to have it converted into a WordPress theme or some other CMS, we have a solution. It is proven, it does work, it takes a lot of the heartache and a lot of the legwork out of the process. So that means what we can bring to you is a cost-effective alternative to what else is being offered out there. And it provides you with a future. You're going to have confidence that you've got a CMS that's backed by one of the largest software companies in the world. You have a range of development partners and developers around the world, around Australia. This was originally an Australian product, so there is a strong foothold. It has grown significantly. Look, I'm not going to try and sell you on Business Catalyst here. What we really want to do is demonstrate that we have a solution that works and can deliver, and give you some sense of comfort in knowing that your website and the resources and the time and the effort that you've put into putting that in place are not all going to become a waste. If you'd like to know more and see a demonstration or talk to us about what we can do and what's involved for just you, please give us a call. As I said, my name's Greg Tompkins. Top Left Designs is our company. We're based here in Southport. We are working with another business catalyst partner, and between us we can make it all happen for you. Phone number to get me on is 0419 706 325, and the website is topleftdesigns.com.au. So please do give us a call, and it's an obligation free discussion, and we just explain what your options are. We're here to help you. Good luck and thank you.